Hey everybody, Alex here. So to get product ideas, if you're looking for product ideas and you're still sort of stuck and you want to get some inspiration, going to a website like Kickstarter and there's many such websites like Kickstarter. There's one called Indiegogo as well, but Kickstarter.com is really good. And here is one such product that actually was on Kickstarter, right? So this is a toilet bowl light, all right? So when you go out to the toilet at night and you want to wake everyone up or turn the light on yourself and go, oh, wake up, right? You won't be able to get back to sleep. As you walk in, it's motion activated sensor that turns it on, and turns it on blue or yellow or green or red or wherever color you want it to turn on, right? This was on Kickstarter. It also featured on Shark Tank, and I believe Kevin O'Leary paid, he offered $100,000 for 25% of it. So already that's a hot product. Now, guess what? I jumped on Alibaba and I found that particular product on Alibaba it was about $1 each, all right? So $1. Now, this particular product, when it first came out, it's hot, right? So and when it first got invented, right, not many people were jumping on this particular product, right? So, but you know, that's why it's kind of good sometimes to get first to market and keep your eye on such products like these products, like Kickstarter.com. Going to Kickstarter like once a week, just spend 10 minutes, right? This is what we're doing right now. We're sitting down, we're about to have lunch, we're actually looking at Kickstarter, looking for ideas for our products, right, that we want to put on Amazon. So jumping on Kickstarter.com, that's one website. Indiegogo.com is another website. Get inspiration, get ideas from those websites, then jump on Alibaba and see whether or not something similar actually exists right now, whether or not you can actually list that on Amazon, all right? So yeah, get inspired, guys. There's a lot of ideas out there. You just got to really jump on it and seize the ideas, all right? So have a fantastic day. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. See you later.